What's costing you more than you think? Inefficiency. Tasks falling through the cracks and miscommunication between teams. Faulty handovers, complex onboardings, and bottlenecks slowing us down. Time gets wasted and costs go up. There's a smarter way to work. By visualizing your business with 2C8 apps, you bring clarity to complexity and results that matter. Organizations that visualize their processes report 25% lower operational costs, 50% fewer process-related errors, and 30% better compliance. That means fewer mistakes, less rework, and reduced risk of regulatory fines. You can't improve what you don't understand. 2C8 gives you that understanding in one place for your whole organization. Book a demo today. Let's cut costs, boost efficiency, and finally bring clarity to the way your business runs. Visit 2C8.com to learn more.